to Creative Creations. Today I'm going to be making an elephant, hairbow elephant. So there we have it, and that's the back. So put that there. So we have 1.5 inch wide by 25 centimetres long. 1.5 inch wide by 14 centimetres long. This is the ribbon to go around the bow when it's done, and of course my clip. I'll do my clip first, and there's the goggly eyes as well. I have to do my bow first because I didn't turn the glue gun on. So you fold this in half, heat seal it, there will crease off your ribbon. There we go. So there's your crease. You bring that just over the line and bring this one up just over the line. Then you sew it across. Pull it up, go around a couple of times, it's not in the middle, and do it there, no, it's better. Now I'll just cast off. Oops. So although the clip's not going on the back of here, I still like to cover this up. So I'll put this on. So we'll heat seal both ends of this. This is going to be your trunk. So we start with it on the back like this. So we just put some glue on there. Oops. Making a right mess with this glue. And so now we're going to bring it over here. So we just want a couple of dabs of glue here and here. Bring that over. So where the two marks are, we're going to put the eyes there. And we've got to just hold them for a few seconds. So now we're going to fold this over and to do it with the lighter it leaves a sharper crease. So put some glue in the bottom and then fold it back. A bit more. There we go. So now we're going to do the clip for the back. So I'm just going to get a new piece of glue. There we go, clip's done. So we'll turn this over and just put the clip on the back. There we go, all done. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or subscribe for more. Thank you.